a couple different ways to adjust needle positions on the Singer heavy duty sewing machine. There's a dial at the top with the label needle position. Now most of the time I want you to leave that kind of in the center, right where that needle has got the dot in the center of the oval. But if I do move this to the side, do make sure your needle is in the up position and not in the fabric. And I could be sewing over here on the left side. I can go ahead, needles up so I can move it. Now I can be sewing over here on the right side. Why would I want to be in different positions? Sometimes when I want to get really close to the fabric, or edge of the fabric, I can go ahead and move that so I can still keep the majority of the presser foot on the fabric surface, but the needle will be really close to the edge. So instead of just having the fabric like half on the fabric, or the foot half on the fabric and half off, for a center needle position, let the machine move the needle for you. And then you could be really close to that edge. But see how I have nice even feeding? Because I've got the majority of the fabric under the foot. Now, another way to actually adjust needle positions is with the stitch width. So that allows me to kind of move it from left to, from left to center in this positions here. You see it at 0 at center, and at 6, it's all the way over to the far left. The other reason to use needle positions with the feet that are included is one with the zipper foot. So with the zipper foot, you can see there's actually 2 bars for the foot to attach. You can attach it to the left or you can attach it to the right. Well, then you can adjust the needle position to be closer or further away from the foot depending on your project. So whether I'm actually putting a zipper in or actually putting some piping in and I need to get really close to that big, thick corded area, I can put that right up against it and then move my needle to be exactly where it's going to stitch the best. So there's lots of times where you will find your pattern say move your needle to the left or take a smaller seam allowance, and you can do so by adjusting your needle positions.